If you've been hit by a drunk driver who just came from a bar, you might wonder whether the bar bears any responsibility. And in South Carolina, the answer can be yes, but the claims are narrow, fact-specific, and heavily dependent on the evidence. I'm Jess Gooding, and I'm a lawyer here at Goings Law Firm. Dram shop liability is a legal doctrine many people have never heard of until they need it. So let me explain what it is and why it matters. South Carolina law allows you to sue an establishment, that is a bar, a restaurant, or a nightclub, if that establishment serves alcohol to someone who is visibly intoxicated and then that person causes harm to you. The law recognizes that the person serving the drinks bears some of the responsibility for those consequences. This is important because it encourages accountability for the businesses in our communities that serve people alcohol. We want to make sure as a community that those places are safe and responsible in how they distribute substances that have the capacity to impair people and to make them unsafe behind the wheel of a car. Not every drunk driver case involves dram shop liability though. If someone drinks at home and then decides to drive, their personal responsibility is where it ends. But if a bar serves that same person drink after drink, watching them get more and more intoxicated, and then that person hits you, the bar's conduct becomes part of the causal chain. South Carolina law says that this matters legally, and it can matter a lot for your recovery. I handled a case recently involving a bar patron who was served repeatedly despite showing clear signs of impairment, stumbling, slurred speech, the whole deal. When that person caused a serious car accident just minutes later after leaving the bar and trying to drive home, the bar's pattern of service became a huge part of my client's claim. We obtained the bar tab, server testimony, and other evidence showing a clear pattern of negligence, and it made a huge difference in the recovery I was able to get for my client, who unfortunately had her life changed that night when she was hit by a drunk driver. If you've been hit by a drunk driver and suspect that they came from a bar, that's absolutely worth investigating. Call us at 803-350-9230 and we'll help you to determine whether a dram shop claim is available in your situation.